Good morning students. Today we will learn about types of chemical reactions. So the first type is combination reaction. What is combination reaction? A chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new substance is called combination reaction. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combine together and form water molecule. So it is a combination reaction because hydrogen molecule and oxygen molecule combine together and form a new substance, that is water molecule. The second one is decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction we can see that a chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained from a single reactant. So the example of decomposition reaction is breaking up of water. Breaking up of water into hydrogen and oxygen molecule. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल में डिकम्पोज हो रहा है, तो ये रिएक्शन क्या हुआ? डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. थर्ड वन इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. A chemical reaction in which one element displaces another in a compound is called displacement reaction. For example, iron react with copper sulfate, it gives ferrous sulfate solution and copper. So here you can see that iron displaces copper and form ferrous sulfate solution. Fourth one is neutralization reaction. Reaction between an acid and a base leading to formation of salt and water is called neutralization reaction. For example, NaOH which is a base and HCl which is an acid. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid combine together and form NaCl which is a salt, sodium chloride and water molecule. So this is an example of neutralization reaction because in this reaction sodium hydroxide which is a base and hydrochloric acid which is an acid combine together and form salt and water. So the reaction between an acid and a base leading to the formation of salt and water is called neutralization reaction.